Welcome to this technical guide on the HS05. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HS05 hairdryer isn't heating up at all, it can be quite frustrating. This issue usually arises due to a faulty heating element or a damaged cable. If left unresolved, it may lead to further complications or even complete failure of the device. Therefore, it's best to address it promptly to ensure you can continue using your hairdryer effectively. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver, a replacement heating element, and some electrical tape. First, make sure to unplug your hairdryer from the mains. Carefully use your screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the hairdryer. Be gentle while doing this to avoid damaging the casing. Once you have removed all the screws, you can gently pull apart the two halves of the hairdryer to access the internal components. Inside, locate the heating element, which is usually situated near the front of the device. It should be quite obvious, as it will be connected to the power supply and generally looks different from other components. To extract the heating element, carefully disconnect the wires attached to it. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, replace the faulty heating element with the new one. Make sure to connect the wires securely, ensuring that they are in the correct position as they were with the old component. Once everything is connected, gently place the two halves of the hairdryer back together. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, tightening them snugly but not overly tight, as this could cause damage. Finally, plug in your hairdryer and turn it on to make sure it heats up correctly. If it does, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your HS05 hairdryer. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly check the condition of the cable and avoid pulling on it when unplugging. Keep the hairdryer free from dust and debris to maintain its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.